Daddy, ano yan, Dad?
Tamilok.
Samilok.
Ito yung travel nyo ng Palawan dahil kumain.
Ayan lang. So, kompleto na yung punta mo ng Palawan. Kasi kumain ka ng Tamilok.
Those
So, hindi ka daw masasabing nakapunta ng ano,
What's that?
Palawan kung hindi ka nakapunta ng Tamilok.
What's that? Tamilok. What's Tamilok?
Anong gagawin natin? Sausawan yan?
Sa ulang po. Para kung gusto nyo tikman ng walang suka, pwede po. Ayan yung itsura nila sa wood.
Ah, that is the
Oh, it's from the wood. Oyster.
yeah.
Oyster? That doesn't
Best
look like oyster.
combination, sir, calamansi at suka.
What is calamansi at
Ito na yun.
Really, what is that?
Maanghang po ba? Ikat natin yung
That's
sige.
lang po.
What's that? Tamilok nga. What's Tamilok? Yeah, look at that in the picture over there. What is that? Para siyang ano? In English, what's that in English?
Tamilok.
Woodworm po. Gusto nyo yung picture?
Ano po, ano?
Earthworm.
Woodworm.
Ayun yung bahay niya o sa table nyo.
Ah,
Nauna
okay.
na.
I thought that is gonna be the one.
Challenge.
That's from the worm challenge. Let's see. Tatay will eat na. Tamilok chuk-chuk.
Okay.
Right.
No. 100 lang, sir.
Is the challenge for me.
Me too. Same.
This one?
This is challenge for me also. I will try.
Okay, this right?
Yeah. Ha? Ah.
Wanna try?
Masarap yan, sir, sa kayo.
Paano to? Paano kakamayan?
Ay, may tinidor po tayo, sir.
Ah, tinidor.
Can I pictures?
Yeah. This one. Picture.
Go, Daddy. First time niya, first time.
Oh. Ah, this the one.
Isa-usaw mo
Here.
daw muna, Dad.
That does not look appetizing at all. I'm video, okay?
Nanay, that's what
Oh.
it's from this wood.
Nanay, so is that your reward if you eat it?
Tu jest, że tak powiem, śmiałe. Próbuję. Matko jedyna.
Masarap.
Is it masarap? Good.
Yeah, nice.
Serious?
A bit sweet.
Ah,
You want to try?
no.
Nice.